For somewhere while we're eating our fish and chips. 66221. $66,221 to Drax. Okay, we'll be along here. Phone number 2 will be the 1317 TPE service to Cleethorpes. We've got 185, 140. $185, $140 to Cleethorpes. Platform number 3 will be your 1317 TPE service to Cleethorpes. 185, 140. 185, 140 to Cleethorpes via Grimsby Town. Platform number 2 at Barnetby will be your 604 Charlie Freightliner service from Scunthorpe to Immingham. And the board broke. Please stand back from the platform edge of the platform. Okay, we got 66. 66, 510 back. This is for your 1417 for Cleethorpes. 66, 510 to Immingham. Number 2 at Barnetby will be your slightly early 1358 6 Echo 8 6 Echo 38 Colas rail service from Colas River Rail to Immingham. Sorry to Lindsay when we got. Your 56's 56094 with 56087. $56,094, no wait for. Forgot what they were. To Lindsay. Approaching the TPE to Manchester Airport. 185, 119. With 185, 114. Will it fit? No, it doesn't. 185, 119 and 114 to Manchester. Platform number 3 will be your 1 Bravo 81 Trans-Pennine Express service to Manchester Airport via Doncaster. Got 185, 114 and 119 with a short platform at Barnetby. Stockport. There's a plane there. We just took off from Humberside. 185, 114, 119 to Manchester Airport via Doncaster, Sheffield and Stockport. And that place which people call Manchester Piccadilly. It's a dog box to Collingham, Newark Northgate. 379 back. 153, 379 heading back to Newark Northgate.